Welcome to a new video. I'm moving to Vancouver at the beginning of August, which is really soon, and I'm currently still full-time working and I have to pack.
I can't say goodbye to everybody. There's just so much going on right now.
I'll try to film everything, but again, it will be very hectic because I'm basically doing this after working hours, very chaotically. I'm lucky that I can keep things at home. If you have any tips for me or for anybody else watching this video, please comment them down below. Moving internationally across continents is not easy. Let's get going.
It's officially day one of packing where I'm still very chill, taking everything out of my closet in sections and seeing what I want to bring or not. While I'm going through all my possessions, I basically look which things actually is to be thrown away, given away, or things I want to bring. This is not for the lazy, but do try on your clothes if you're unsure whether you want to bring them or not. You'll immediately feel the vibe. See if they still fit if you haven't worn them in a while.
The current situation is as follows. 4 basic blouses, 3 blouses with a pattern, turtleneck t-shirts, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts with long sleeves, 1 linen top, a lot of t-shirts, 4 tank tops, 3 short sleeved t-shirts, oh, and another blouse.
I then take all the clothes I want to bring and put them on display on the biggest table we have in our house. This situation has been like this for 2 weeks before actually packing them, but it will help you if you're not packing everything in one day. You at least are able to keep an overview of all the stuff you want to bring.
Currently, I have 7 dresses that I want to bring and a few on the I'd love to bring them, but I'm not sure I can pile. I'm super ready to go to bed now. Oof. For the next day, I'm absolutely not ready yet. This is only phase 1, picking out all of the things I want to bring and might want to bring. Now I still have to do shoes, sports clothes, toiletries, so let's get going. My room is an absolute mess, as you can see. Today is the day that I'll be choosing makeup and everything because I've already put all of my clothes that I want to bring on our kitchen table, and those I can organize today hopefully or throughout this week. And when I started, I got distracted and started doing my makeup. I never do my makeup like this. It's like full face, but I can't bring my entire makeup collection, which is really small. My entire makeup collection fits in 2 bags, but I'm not bringing everything because I don't wear everything. So I got distracted and already put some makeup on. Oopsie. This is such a difficult choice. Are the ones that I want to bring. They're all kind of similar in tone, but it's because these are the ones I always use. So makeup time. For makeup, I just take all the makeup that I have and put them down and make selections. Which ones have I used? Which ones haven't I used? Which ones should I throw away? And which ones can I keep and bring with me? This is the entire bag of makeup that I'll be bringing. I think it looks quite good. I actually feel like I haven't been doing too badly in terms of organization of my bathroom because I've already known this for like a little while that I'm moving. So ever since I've known, I've started giving things away that I know I'm not going to use up anymore. Like body showers I've given to my mom, for instance. I've been mentally thinking literally every day, what products am I going to bring? What not? What should I use up? So I've been like using quite a lot of shampoo because I don't want to bring my shampoo. I feel like this is quite manageable and I recommend doing this when you're moving. Perfume is actually quite common in Belgium to give to somebody for Christmas, for instance. It will usually be given by your grandparents or your mom. It's like a more expensive gift that you wouldn't buy for yourself, but you do use, so I quite like it. But I use perfume every day and still I have this entire collection of perfume that I just can't seem to finish. So I just can't choose what to bring now. In over a month, I'll come back to Belgium, which is quite practical. This is because we had some arrangements that we really have to go to. So quite fortunate. It was expensive, but quite fortunate that I'm coming back. So this way I can, for instance, if I want to bring more perfumes, bring a few more and see. Skincare. Skincare is quite tricky for me because I've recently invested in new products like these because I have rosacea on my skin. I've made a video before about trying to reduce this by changing my diet, but I didn't know it was rosacea. But yeah, so I bought new stuff and I don't know if it's working, but I don't mind. I've been trying several things, so we'll see if I'm less red in the future. But this means that I had a lot of other products before which weren't good for me, which I've been using, for instance, now as like cream for my elbows, or just I don't know, some cream here, like body cream, but yeah, I've been trying to finish them all, but I haven't finished them all, and I'm not good at throwing stuff away. So I will probably just pile them all up and keep them in my closet and see in the future what to do with them. So yeah, I feel like this is very little for moving abroad. So I feel like this is not correct. There might be coming more. I really wish that I had made more progress today, but it is what it is. I only did a few things, but these are things I had to do anyway, so that's good. But my room still looks like this, and I've had to do friends, so I'm gonna get ready and hopefully film more tomorrow, but no, because tomorrow is Monday and I have dinner with my colleagues. Tuesday I have dinner with friends. Wednesday dinner with my dad, so I don't know when I'll pack. We'll have to make it. Hello, currently only 6 more days until I depart to Vancouver. I'm still in a chaos right now. Nothing's done yet. I have taken out my suitcases and put them ready to start filling them. Already testing out some different things. Bought vacuum bags from the brand Luvego. I bought them on bol.com. They arrived the day after, which is crazy in my opinion. I will now fill up my suitcase and see if what I aim to bring is realistic or not. Also, tomorrow is my last working day, so today I went to the office, and when I left I was able to say see you tomorrow, and that was for the last time that I could say those words. So that's a bit wild. I ordered pastries from a bakery because in Belgium it's kind of custom that you give something, and usually for us it's pastries. So yeah, let's continue packing, and I'm so tired. But we have to do this. I'm also bringing my alarm clock, which basically will take up so much space. And I've tried out this already, the vacuum bag. These are basically almost all my sweaters that I'm gonna bring. So quite impressive, I think. Currently super hot and tired, and I just filled the first suitcase. I even put my pillow in it. I'm still gonna change things, but now at least I know a lot of things fit in my suitcase already, and I think it weighs about 21 kilos right now, so that's great. More tomorrow or on Friday. Hi, we're a new day. I've officially had my last working day yesterday. Slept out. It's almost past noon already, I think. Today is the focus of just packing as much as I can, making sure I'm happy with it all so that I can start focusing on other things to prep for moving. Situation, and yeah. Hey, 3 more days until the big day of the big move. Yesterday evening, I ended up going to a friend's house still for a little party. And then this morning, I had an appointment in Antwerp. So I went to the city, had a cheeky coffee with my friends still, and then came back. So it's already the afternoon, but I desperately need to make sure all my documents are in order. So I'm not gonna film this part because I don't want you to see things you shouldn't be seeing. So yeah, I have to make sure everything is printed for customs when I enter the country. I need a lot of documents if I'm being honest. And then I need to desperately continue packing. So let's do that. Back home from the supermarket, I did some errands still because I have a goodbye party, or at least a drink with friends. We're gonna do a picnic, but of course I need to get some things, not a lot, but some things. Took a while to get my documents in order. I've printed them all out, made sure I have them all. And yeah, now it's really finally time to get my last suitcase in order, because this is still the situation. Almost a 2. This is the current situation. That one is 23 kilos, 21, and these two together are 11.7 kilograms. I'll take a bath and go to sleep because my feet hurt. I'm so tired. This is more tiring than I thought it would be, but I'm really proud of this. Tomorrow I'll make sure everything is tidied up and then I can go see my friends. Good night. Good morning. I'm currently putting away all of the stuff that I'm not bringing. 2 more days. Crazy. Can't wait, really. But yesterday I had such a fight with my suitcases and it made me so tired and I was losing like motivation. But yeah, I'm so happy I got my suitcases in order. Now I can just fix my room a little bit so I leave it behind properly. And then I can enjoy my day. I'm going to my grandma. I'm gonna go see friends. And then tomorrow I'll focus on my cloud and my computer and making sure everything is stored properly. And then on Tuesday I take takeoff. Oh, hello, hello. T minus how many hours? I don't know. Not that many more until I depart for Canada. We're currently the evening before. I've gone to the doctor for some last minute prescriptions, got them at the pharmacy then, and I've been busy with my computer, making sure everything is on my drive. So been quite boring, but I really want this to be done. Every time I move abroad, I realize I need to delete my pictures immediately when I've taken them, because I always take 100 and then only 2 out of them are good. It's such a silly system, I know, but then always the day before I move, I'm like, oh, I haven't put them on my drive yet, I need to back them up. And then I realize there's so many to back up because I haven't deleted them, but oh well, story of my life. Not a big issue, it's just it's a bit stupid. I haven't really been busy in my luggage anymore. I've tidied up my room a little bit.
It's finally the day, guys, the day of takeoff. It was kind of a bittersweet goodbye. Adventures awaits, but it's also strange to leave behind friends and family. My dad dropped me off at the airport. It was kind of a sad goodbye. We did still have some kipsate in Schiphol, and then I made my way through customs and everything. I'll definitely film fun moments in Vancouver, so definitely subscribe if you're curious for this. And thank you for watching this video.